Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing credentials and a focused project. Create a GCP project, enable the exact maps APIs you need, and generate an API key. This is the single string your app will use. Once done, restrict the key to HTTP referrers or IPs to protect usage and enable billing. Maps requires a billing account even for free tier usage. Make sure to record the project ID and key, and optionally install the Cloud SDK for command line control before moving to implementation. Now you integrate the Maps API into your app. Load the Maps JavaScript SDK with your API key or install the server SDK for Node/Python and set the key in env-vars. This avoids hardcoding. Initialize the map with a center coordinate and zoom, then call services, geocoding to translate addresses, directions for routes, places for search. Use promises or async/await to handle responses, and parse results for lat/lng, bounding boxes, and polyline data to render on the map. Finish by hardening and monitoring your integration. Set usage alerts, budget caps, and review quotas in the Cloud Console. Optimize cost by caching responses, debouncing user inputs, and reducing coordinate precision when acceptable. Deploy with the API key stored securely and rotate it periodically. If something breaks, first verify the API key restrictions, confirm billing is active, and ensure the required APIs are enabled. If you still see errors, inspect HTTP response codes and error messages to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.